Enhancing the efficiency and enjoyment of your home and kitchen often comes down to selecting the appropriate tools. In this video, we will show you 18 home and kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Elevate your shower storage with the HAMITOR Corner Shower Caddy Tension Pole. This organizer offers quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. The clip buckle design allows you to adjust the height of the baskets in just 2 seconds, while the integrated telescopic rod ensures stability and prevents loosening or sliding. Compared to ordinary shower caddies, this pole installs faster and more securely. The thoughtful, human-centric design features deep and shallow baskets to accommodate items of various sizes. A safety bar prevents your belongings from falling off the edge, and the flat trays keep small items organized and accessible. Enjoy the convenience of versatile glass meal prep containers with the KOMUEE 10-pack set. These 30-ounce containers are perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, packing lunches, and more. Made from premium borosilicate glass, these containers are stronger and more durable than standard glass. They can go straight from the fridge to the microwave, oven, or table without issue. The glass is also easy to clean and won't absorb stains or odors, so you can use them over and over. For added functionality, the containers come with airtight snap-lock lids that seal in freshness. The lids have silicone seals to prevent leaks and spills. Sleep cooler and more comfortably with the Weekender Gel Memory Foam Pillow. Designed for optimal temperature regulation, this pillow is infused with cooling gel and features a ventilated design to help dissipate body heat. The contoured memory foam conforms to your head, neck, and shoulders, providing superior pressure relief for a more restful sleep. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to start your day. For added convenience, the pillow comes with a removable, machine-washable polyester cover. This makes it easy to keep your pillow clean and fresh. Elevate your next catering event or home buffet with the HeroFiber Disposable Chafing Dish Buffet Set. This comprehensive 6-pack provides everything you need for an effortless and professional-looking spread. Each set includes 6 wire racks designed to hold a fuel can and an aluminum pan. These compact foldable racks make it easy to set up and store your chafing dishes. Speaking of fuel, the set comes with 6 long-lasting chafing fuel cans that can burn for up to 4 hours. The cans can be resealed for future use, so you can keep your food hot and fresh throughout your event. Maximize your storage space with the BROVIEW stackable storage bins. These high-quality plastic bins offer a generous 19-gallon capacity, yet fold down to just 3.85 inches when not in use. Crafted from durable, heavy-duty materials, each bin can hold up to 110 pounds. The panels have been reinforced for added strength and load-bearing capacity. This makes them perfect for organizing everything from clothing and linens to books and household supplies. For convenient access, the storage bins feature 2 opening options. You can open the front double doors or lift the top lid. The front doors have a handy lock design, allowing you to secure the contents if needed. Organize and protect your belongings with the Rubbermaid stackable large clear storage bins. The see-through design makes it easy to locate and access your stored items, while the secure, snap-tight latching lids keep dust and dirt out. The recessed lids also allow for stable stacking, so you can maximize your storage space. Speaking of space, the straight wall design of these bins holds up to 14% more than other clear plastic storage containers of the same size. They nest neatly when not in use, and the generous 23.5-inch L by 18.6 W by 12.3 H dimensions provide ample room for clothing, linens, documents, and more. Enjoy great tasting, filtered water with the Brita Everyday Elite Water Filter Pitcher. This space-efficient pitcher is perfect for most refrigerators, measuring just 10.7 inches high, 5.4 inches wide, and 10.1 inch deep. Despite its compact size, the pitcher can hold up to 10 cups of water, enough to fill 3 24-ounce reusable bottles. The easy fill lid makes refilling a breeze. By switching to the Brita Everyday Elite, you can save money and reduce waste compared to single-use plastic water bottles. The filter reduces up to 99% of lead, chlorine, cadmium, mercury, benzene, and more. Elevate any room with the nuLOOM Moroccan Blythe Area Rug. Meticulously crafted in Turkey from 100% durable polypropylene, this power-loomed rug is built to last. Measuring 8 by 10 feet, this versatile size makes it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and more. Its timeless trellis pattern and classic Moroccan-inspired motifs bring a touch of sophisticated style to your decor. Despite its elegant appearance, the nuLOOM Blythe rug is highly functional and easy to maintain. The medium pile height strikes the ideal balance between plush comfort and practical cleaning. Keep your kitchen sink area tidy and organized with the AGSIXZLAN Sink Faucet Organizer. This high-quality, space-saving organizer is made of durable, space aluminum and designed to maximize storage around your sink. The organizer features a tray with excellent drainage, allowing you to neatly store and dry sponges, brushes, and other small kitchen items. An additional hook provides extra hanging space for towels, peelers, or other tools. The unique hole design promotes faster drying, so your sponges and cleaning supplies stay fresh and ready to use. And the hanging rod design offers easy access, letting you quickly wipe or grab what you need. Maximize your storage space with the versatile CHWM Undersink Organizer. This high-quality, multi-purpose organizer is perfect for use under the sink, in the pantry, bathroom, or anywhere you need extra storage. Made with durable PET and 304 stainless steel, the organizer features a 2-tier pull-out design that increases your available space by up to 200%. The overall dimensions of 10.63 d by 8 in by 8.46 eters allow it to fit comfortably under most sinks, even with pipes. The bottom tier has a 40-pound weight capacity, so you can store heavier items with confidence. 4 silicone foot pads provide a stable, non-slip base. Stay organized and keep your food fresh with the Creaiva magnetic bag clips. This versatile 12-piece set includes clips in 3 stylish colors, white, blue, and gray, to complement any decor. Made from durable, odorless plastic with rubber pads, these clips are built to last. The sturdy spring mechanism and burr-free design ensure a tight, non-slip grip on your food bags and packaging. But the real magic lies in the powerful round magnets integrated into each clip. This allows you to easily attach them to your refrigerator, filing cabinets, or any other metal surface. Use them to hold reminders, photos, receipts, and more without scratching the surface. Keep your cleaning supplies neatly organized and within reach with the Command spray bottle hangers. This versatile set includes 2 white hangers and 4 large adhesive strips, allowing you to securely mount your spray bottles without causing any damage. Installation couldn't be easier. No tools required. Simply apply the adhesive strips to your desired surface, whether it's wood, paint, tile, or another material, and click the hangers into place. The damage-free design means you can remove the hangers later with no holes or sticky residue left behind. Each hanger can hold up to 2.5 pounds, providing a strong grip for your larger spray bottles and cleaning products. Keep your kitchen sink area tidy and organized with the Consumest sponge holder. This versatile caddy is the perfect solution for neatly storing your sponges, dish brushes, and soap. With a unique rectangular design, the sponge holder can be placed on the countertop, near a window, or even hung on the edge of your faucet. No matter where you put it, it provides a designated space to keep your cleaning supplies within reach but off the sink. The hollowed-out design promotes rapid water drainage, helping to prevent mold, odors, and water stains. Plus, the included removable drip tray makes cleaning a breeze. Simply pull it out and give it a quick wipe down. Maximize the storage in your refrigerator with the Rexmica Mini Fridge Organizer. This versatile hanging caddy is designed to fit most standard household fridges with a length under 22 inches. The organizer features a variety of pockets and compartments to neatly store all your kitchen essentials. There are 10 differently sized pockets, plus 3 mesh pockets, perfect for holding cutlery, plates, spices, napkins, and more. A large central compartment can even accommodate a roll of vacuum sealer bags or trash bags. For added convenience, the organizer includes a hanging strip, perfect for storing plastic wrap, kitchen towels, or other frequently used items. Enjoy a safer, more comfortable bathing experience with the Hargiis non-slip bathtub mat. Made from high-quality, BPA-free PVC material, this durable mat helps reduce the risk of slips and falls in the bathroom. The plaid backing and 0.4-inch thickness provide excellent traction and cushioning underfoot. The loofah-like texture on the surface also acts as a gentle foot massager, exfoliating and scraping away dead skin. Cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse the mat with a spray and the foam washes away easily. It's also machine washable, dries quickly, and won't leave any marks on your tub or floor. Experience the power and convenience of the nesmar Professional Handheld Steamer. With its luxurious design and innovative 2-in-1 functionality, this steamer is the perfect addition to any home or travel wardrobe. Weighing just 1 pound, the lightweight main body houses a powerful 1200-watt heating element that's ready to steam in just 18 seconds. The steamer can provide up to 10 minutes of continuous steam, quickly and effectively removing wrinkles from clothes, linens, and more. The unique rotating head allows you to steam in any orientation, whether hanging garments or laying items flat. This versatility makes it ideal for both home use and on-the-go travel. Elevate your kitchen prep with the WHYSKO stainless steel mixing bowls. This 5-piece set of deep, durable mixing bowls is ideal for everything from meal prepping to baking. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, these bowls are BPA-free, rust-resistant, and easy on your utensils. The smooth, sleek design makes them a stylish addition to any kitchen. When not in use, the bowls conveniently nest inside one another, saving valuable cabinet space. And cleanup is a breeze. Just toss them in the dishwasher. Maximize your kitchen storage with the Rev-A-Shelf Cabinet Pullout Organizer. This sturdy 2-tier wire basket system is designed to transform the way you organize your base cabinets. Measuring 8.75-inch wide, 22 inches deep, and 19-inch high, this pull-out organizer is the perfect size for 12-inch cabinets with an 8.5-inch opening. The durable chrome wire construction can hold up to 100 pounds of weight, providing ample space for all your kitchen essentials. The full extension ball bearing slides allow the organizer to glide smoothly in and out, giving you easy access to the contents. This efficient design makes it simple to view and retrieve the items stored in the back of your cabinets.